Hello, hi there. So today we are going to discuss about lead plumber. Lead has their own properties. So what is the properties of lead? The properties of lead divided into two parts, which is the chemical properties and the physical properties. Here are some of the chemical properties of lead. First is lead has an atomic number of 82, atomic mass of 207.2 gram per mole, and melting point of 227, boiling point of 1755 degrees Celsius. What are the physical properties of lead? It has bluish-white lustrous metal, very soft, ductile, highly malleable, and poor conductor of electricity. Then, what are the uses of lead in our life? Lead is used as deterrent. In paint, lead is used as the coloring element. Also, lead is used in bullets and short firearms, in lead-acid batteries, lead is also known as anti-knock agent and a soldering material. So that is the few uses of lead in our daily life. So next, what is the effect of lead pollution? Lead is totally bad for aquatic life, for the plant, for the children, and also can cause health problems. Lead decreases the growth and reproductive rate in plant and animals. Lead is absorbed by them mainly through the roots from soil solution and thereby may enter the food chain. Excessive lead accumulation in plant tissue disrupt the morphological, physiological, and biochemical functions of plant. While in aquatic life are suffering due to pollution of lead in water. Lead will get into our body through inhalation and ingestion. Excessive amount of lead could cause health problems. Lead is a cumulative toxicant that affects multiple body systems and is particularly harmful to young children. For the pregnant woman, lead can cause miscarriage, stillbirth, premature birth, and low birth weight. For children, they have low immune system, easily infected, and children absorb faster than adults. Exposure to lead can cause mass food poisoning and multiple deaths in young children. Reduced intelligence quotient and behavioral changes are the effects of lead exposure to our children. Lead elements can also cause pollution, such as air pollution and water pollution. In our surroundings, there are sources of lead that drive to environmental pollution. So, what is the pollution caused by the lead element? For the first and foremost, it will be the water pollution. An example is our tap water. All the buildings are likely to have lead in the plumbing. House or buildings built before 1983 could have lead soldered copper pipes. It could be the same for new building as well, as plumbing that is lead-free can contain up to 8% of lead. Lead pipes are the main contributor to the contamination of our tap water. By time, the pipe will corrode and lead will dissolve into the tap water and end up in our drink. This is the simple example of the water pollution caused by lead elements. The next one is the air pollution. Sources of lead in the air vary from one area to another. It was said that the major sources are ore and metal processing, piston engine aircraft operating on leaded aviation fuel, and also tiny fragments of lead paint from older houses, which will float as lead dust. The lead dust can flow through the air, polluting the air and practically get into our body through inhalation and could do harm to our body. So basically, that is how lead can also cause air pollution. And for the last one, it is the soil pollution. Lead gets into the soil through lead-based paint, leaded gasoline, and industrial emissions. As an example, the started lead is leaded gasoline used in 1920s, while for lead-based paint, it contained lead to chromate or lead to carbonate as the pigment. All homes which had their exterior scrapped and painted years ago often have high levels of lead in the soil around the house perimeter. Some lead in soil comes from period before lead in gasoline was banned. In that period, lead came out of cars in the exhaust and settled into the soil close to highway and major cross streets. So that is how actually lead can cause pollution to our environment.